headphone users be aware, loud noises.
Let it be known. Let it be known we got Zeus's approval.
Where the hell did you come from, Tip?
I'm not dying, okay? You saw nothing.
Oh yeah, you're definitely not dying.
What?
No, nothing.
Okay, I'll take the base plate. I'll take a base plate. No, no first aid.
That was a bit loud, sorry.
Whoa!
Try and rechecking it on long range. Check.
What's up, Chris?
Did you see Tip jump off the roof?
Yes.
Is he alive?
Yes. But he is bleeding all over.
Okay, have fun with that.
Let's go, Red.
Son of a bitch! I am injured.
User in your channel timed out. User joined your channel.
Well, that just happened.
User left your channel. User joined your channel.
One down. Oh, desync. We've got a freaking desync. Great.
Oh boy.
Or maybe it's
this
just
is
Stonewall, because I see everybody else moving just fine.
Yeah, I know Stonewall has. He said he had so many problems right now. I think he's lagging because his internet is poor.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking as well.
Yeah, it hasn't happened to this degree, but it certainly has happened, but not this bad.
Okay.
But just I reckon you're inside the vehicle.
Yes, I am inside this vehicle.
Yeah, I would suggest you sit inside until this AV are sure we have stopped. Or you could try your luck.
What did you say?
Well, you could either sit inside this vehicle till it stops, or you could try your luck.
I'm gonna try my luck. I feel like I'm a medic. I need to be with other squad members.
Yep.
Oh great! I can't get outside of this vehicle.
Double tap B. Should eject you.
Oh my god! I am stuck. I am stuck inside this vehicle.
Uh-oh.
Also, how are you guys? We are currently experiencing some issues. It's well, we're alive, that's what we are, but we are, I don't really know where we are, but yeah, you see what my problem is now.
Oh, okay. Now I think I can get out. There we go. Oh shit. Oh my! Friendly fire! Friendly fire! Friendly fire!
standing there with a fucking rocket launcher.
Yeah.
Okay.
Shit.
Yeah, I'm up.
Let's get off
there. I don't know, let's get off.
Oh god.
We need to get off the... We need to get out of this building. Cover, everyone.
Get off this building. Get
Guys,
out
get out of the
the
window.
backside. Get out of this building.
I don't think they are.
Backside, everybody out. Everybody out. We're getting fucking fucked over here, bro.
Alright.
I can't.
Whoa,
Go. Watch your fucking fire! Fucking hell.
User
Oh god,
left your
I am
channel. User joined
lagging.
your channel.
Hey, watch that fucking staircase. Fuck's sake, people.
User left your channel.
Hey, let's
User joined your channel.
yellow the fuck away from here, please.
Yeah, I'm working on it.
Yeah, we are waiting for you outside the building. Where are you?
Enemy chopper over.
Oh, god damn. Yes,
Oh, it's one.
oh, it's close.
Those people fell.
God damn. Whoa.
This is Samurai to all infantry call signs. Enemy, the AO seems to be clear other than the occasional enemy air assets, so we will remount vehicles and move on to our next objectives. Out.
What the fuck is next AA teams, bro?
Whoa. Same direction.
Really?
Yeah, I believe. Nate, southwest.
Samurai, we got red smoke in the compound. Copy that. Abandon the objective.
Oh my god!
Clear,
No!
They're going to blow it all up, so we need to move.
Oh,
before
fuck.
artillery hits us in.
Oh shit!
We really need some.
Hellstroke is advised
Fuck,
you are taking
fuck.
We've got Mascas right next to the...
Everybody fall back! Everybody fall back!
Okay.
Mark on map.
I'm carrying this guy out of here.
Some people went up. I believe there's only one uncount, but everyone is bleeding. The building in the middle of these three big ones, you know.
Oh. There's red smoke there.
Duck, are you alive?
Yes, I am alive. I am with, I don't know if I'm with Ronin or Katana, but I'm with one of them. And we're just suffering mass gas right now.
Copy that. What is your location?
We are inside one of the white buildings.
Copy. That's not really.
Need urgent assistance. This guy needs medical attention urgently.
Ali's getting.
That was a singular AI from. So that was Zusi.
Can't say your stupid shit.
Zusi.
I got you. Get
Zusi.
Get Llama. Wait.
Okay.
Get Llama.
Arles.
Yes.
That was a single AI thrown grenade.
I believe you
Wow.
was fucking unlucky.
I'm the
So it landed right in front of all of you, and you just stared at it, but
I
and
didn't
like
see it.
no one
wasn't-
threw
I
a
wasn't
grenade
able
or
to see.
anything.
Yeah, me neither.
I didn't see anything.
I didn't see anything.
Samurai, what is on
Oh no, I
current
don't have
objective?
bandages.
Current
Okay, if you don't have
objective is
bandages, take some
return
from my backpack.
to friendly vehicles, and we're going to move
You
on to
don't
our
have
next objective.
bandages.
Can you pass his left arm?
I am passing blood. Yes.
What the fuck?
What the fuck? What are you doing?
Alright, check his pulse.
Try not to do that.
Wait, what?
No pulse.
You
Oh fuck.
Sorry.
just release him. Release
I
him.
need listen, shut up. I need somebody to perform CPR.
You gotta release him.
Oh my god! Cook off!
This game is just. What?
All good.
That was not cook off. That was a bug in his skull, bro. We all.
Okay, I suggest for all infantry and armored forces to rendezvous by the LZ resupply
Right now.
northeast side.
I got him. Continue.
Okay, I am positive I left it somewhere around here. Where the fuck did it go? It was right here. Who the fuck took it? Bessie, we got a problem.
Darko, what's the issue?
The medical truck that I took to Pyrgos? Yeah, it's gone.
Overlord, this is
saw it.
Tana requesting medical and ammunition resupply on resupply LZ. How copy?
It's still alive somewhere, but you don't need to worry about it. It's not vital.
Alright. I guess I'll move with the, squad and, you know, regroup with you.
Copy that.
Hold your fire. It's me.
Darko, why the fuck are you so slow, my boy?
I was searching for the medical truck. I arrived here with it. And now it's gone. So I decided to go with you.
Did you?
Unlucky.
Yeah. I hit it a little too far behind and now it's gone. My guess is somebody stole it.
The guy just broke the goddamn sound barrier right next to us.
Yeah.
Huh.
It was good.
Every window with the like kilometer rate of that will just go out. Yeah, normally. Frame. Normally that guy should have fucking made us all deaf, but okay.
Man up in the Humvee.
Who the hell just dropped that?
Get in the vehicle, we're moving.
Get him out of here! Take the Humvee. One more place, go inside. 1, 2. In a car.
Oh, hey, Tip.
Hello, we have a OD guy.
Oh, crap!
Put him down, dumbass!
Thank you for telling me that.
Load patient! Load patient!
I did.
Alright, nice, he's in here. Good.
Okay,
Tip,
go.
I figured it out, Tip.
Where do we go? Where do we go?
Away from the red smoke!
Why am I laying down like I'm dead back here?
Oh, fuck.
Come on, man.
I am!
Someone's healing well in, right?
Oh.
Oh yeah, I can do that.
Okay.
No, drive further away.
Okay. I have no idea how the fuck did that happen.
Hey, Grant, just
Yeah.
CPR him. We got Llewellyn in the car. We're in the medical vehicle.
Hey, how do I know if I'm in
Darko,
this
you
vehicle?
alive?
Yes, I am in the medical vehicle. We have gotten away from the explosions.
Tip, how
Copy
do I know if I'm
that.
in his
Comes
medical
towards
menu?
the rest. Oh my god.
You should just be. Oh yeah, you can do that. Oh yeah.
Repeat that.
we got a car now.
No, that was me telling so it's up. Get across the bridge and then regroup the rest. We'll get them. Oh, never mind. I
Can
see.
we load him out?
Oh.
Yeah, we can get into yours.
User left your channel. User joined your channel.
What the fuck? Oh my god.
What happened to the striker? Samurai.
Unknown, I believe.
Oh god, it's still exploding.
Oh my fucking
Oh my goodness, there's no way I'm gonna save you. Okay, good. You got Zeus healed.
They're getting Zeus healed.
What the fuck happened?
Overlord, this is Samurai. I believe APC died in streets of Arma. She's being reinsert at the moment.
What kind of armor is he
What is he wearing, bro?
What is he wearing, dude? Like, There's no way that armor is so that thick. Reloading.
How is he still alive?
Fuck it.
He dead?
Nope, he's prone. Oh, reloading again.
Oh, I got him. I got him. I got him.
You think?
Nah, he flopped. He folded.
I don't see him, so I'm gonna... Yeah.
I smacked him good. Just. Enemy tank! Enemy tank, get back! Enemy tank!
Tank! Oh shit!
He's gonna run us over.
Where is it? Oh my, oh my, oh my. Ow!
Overlord is
Smoke out!
Samurai requesting smoke on grid reference 157169 and 158170. How copy over? The grid reference on top of, on me and to the right, and to the top right. I'm out of damage.
User left your channel. User joined your channel. User left your channel.
They're just throwing smokes everywhere. Oh, he's bleeding all over. Copy. I'm getting his head.
Just pump him full of fucking bandages, bro. Come on. No, let him die. Take his arms.
I got his left arm.
I'll send you the left arm.
Applying blood.
Nice. Checking for pulse.
Who else is fucked up?
Normal heart rate. Normal heart rate. He's good. At least for now.
Stitching.
You know what? The fucking BTR got what it deserved.
I'm fucking.
C.
I'm bleeding, by the way. Ali, where are you?
C.
Yes.
No.
Yep.
Alice?
It's not C.
I think it was crashed.
Ali fucking crashed.
Yeah, I think so. Alright, let's fucking move it up.
Alright, I don't give a medic. That's as far as I know. Alright, let's go, Red, let's go. Wait a second. Don't make.
I really can't hear anything.
Taco, can you patch me up a little bit?
Yeah.
I need some stitches on my torso.
Copy. Your torso opened up a little. That should be fine.
You don't have to make that, Doctor.
Hey.
Hey, Bazai.
Hello, Eddie.
Oh, there's a lot of people around me. Can you guys like spread out? There's a lot of us in a very small area.
Oh my God, Vasquez! Vasquez! We gotta get the fuck out of here.
Is he alright?
Nope, he is not alright at all. I haven't even checked.
Please do one-time strike on the northern end of the airfield. Over. What the fuck? Oh! I need a medic! I'm inside the building.
I can treat
I need a medic.
Repeat.
I need a medic. Stand by, my medic just died. What happened? I get a Zeus heal. This man just like folded and collapsed in an instant.
Why is the prisoner naked and dead on the floor?
How the fuck did that happen?
Look at the floor where the prisoner is.
What the f-
Why is he naked and dead?
Who the fuck offed him? I was looking at him a second ago and he was...
I think he got sniped, because he'd definitely be dead now. Copy that, well it just smacked it open.
Who the hell is this? Stop! Stop! Hey! Hey! Surrender! Surrender! Hey! Hey! Put your hands up! Put your hands up! Put your hands up! He threw a grenade! Get out! Get out! Get out!
Die, motherfucker.
Daco, that was an IR grenade!
What?
That's not a grenade that does damage.
The what grenade?
IR, it's a camera.
And he threw a camera at me, and
He threw a camera at you to run away because you think it was a grenade.
I should have just fucking shot him when I saw something in his hands.
Luker, please back us up so we're not getting pointed
Oh
at by
my
the
god, what the...
This is samurai enemies within the compound surrendering. Help.
Should I climb this? Do you think it's safe?
Hopefully.
All right.
Oh, it's not safe! It's not safe!
Oh!
That was not meant to happen. Bollocks. Don't climb it until I say, hold on, go back down. I'm trying to put, I've just accidentally told myself to surrender. Shit.
Why the fuck did you Zeus heal me?
Get off the finger, twat.
Oh, come on.
No, limits.
Limits! What the fuck are you doing?
Do not climb over this wall.
Easy. That guy was still alive. I had to put him down.
What are you, Australian? Nah, no room in the Black Hawk, mate.
Wait, who the fuck cuffed Jer?
Help me.
Come here, boy. Red team,
Why did hey? Why is Jer cuffed?
I think that was a match round.
Did Jer commit some sort of war crime that we decided to cuff him?
Yeah. Joe commits a war crime. Oh, we cuffed Joe and put him in the helicopter because he committed a war crime.
He committed a war crime?
He shot at the Red Cross.
No. Well, that wasn't Jeff, but they kept taking off the fucking prisoner's clothes, which just, it looks like shit.
To make sure they don't have bombs on them.
What the fuck?
User left your channel. Joined your channel.
I didn't shoot him. My gun was down.
God, Daco. Daco.
What?
Daco, why'd you shoot him, bro?
I didn't shoot him.
Wow, Daco.
I didn't shoot him. I swear to God.
Daco.
I did not shoot him.
Hey, Daco's committing friendly fire.
I did not shoot him. Shut the fuck up, Chaos.
Order Daco. Daco, you're getting straight for friendly fire. I can't believe you've done this.
Oh. Why is everyone against me?
Yeah, guys, spread out.
Let's have a little bit of spreading out here, guys. Come on.
There are people who look like this on the enemy team, so we need to like make sure.
User left your channel. Joined your channel.
I'm friendly. Because he's part of the Taliban.
This is Samurai 2 rap.
For the Taliban. That's alright.
It's part
of the
Taliban. Rico, big brain.
Is that Taliban?
He's Taliban.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I hope you are prepared to see this most chaotic debrief we have ever seen in the history of Wildfire PMC.
Yeah,
we're
missing
fucking
butt raped by chaos.
Oh.
Well deserved, well deserved.
Guys, no,
Alright.
no friendly fire, no friendly fire.
No friendly fire. Chaos, put it away.
By the way, what is that map behind you? Because that ain't fucking human.
Alright, so as you can see, we're attacking a UNSC. How do you do that against operation? Why are you all standing so far back? Step forward, people. I'm not gonna bite you.
Oh my god. Hello, Bessie. Willing.
No,
You're
I'm just
blocking
getting
me.
swarmed. Okay. But basically,
Everyone cry.
My hands. Would you like?
Is Carlton look up good?
Yes, you smell nice.
It's the end of the open for me to be fucking.
Exactly. Sit back down. After debrief, you can be absolute idiots. But before debrief operations, get in your lines and be normal people.
We can't.
BK. Stop fucking us up, BK.
Sorry, I don't hear you down there.
Mehmet, put down the man.
You're on the wrong line. Already, get the fuck off the goddamn cake.
Get to your lines, and I will not repeat again.
Hey.
Shut the fuck up,
Please get into your lines. That is the
Get
final
into your
one.
line.
I will nuke the
Why do you literally have a rocket launcher?
I don't have a line.
You have a line, it's right behind fucking Rico.
We have a line, it's going sideways.
Let's just get this fucking shit done.
This pyramid? I swear, I'm gonna kill this man.
Aye.
Come on.
Uh-oh.
Line up. Just line up and we can go. Come on. Fucking hell.
People's heads.
Guys, we're 4 hours into a let's go.
Let him down.
Fucking line up.
Fucking BK, we're
Never finish ups.
Aye. Welcome back, people. So, congratulations.
User left your joined your channel.
In completing our objectives today, we took quite a few prisoners, as you can see over there. So that's pretty good. That will help our intelligence for our operations in the area. We were able to successfully destroy the enemy positions at the bottom, and we discovered some intel from the bottom base there. We've secured the airbase, which we will be able to use for future operations, which is great for us as it now gives us a lot of range over the entire island as a whole, and should speed up the invasion by quite a bit. Some other things, quite notable things.
You executed a large amount of civilians.
Just a few small things is please do not commit war crimes. For example, the Red Cross is a neutral faction in all of this, and you shot down 2 of their helicopters, which is. You said it was an unarmed heli, not that it was the Red Cross.
I told it was an armed medevac heli.
Okay, just move on with the debrief.
Anyway, so, due to committing war crimes, that has severely affected our reputation and may cause many negative effects in this of our campaign. Second thing, friendly fire has been absolutely terrible this operation. It is the worst I've ever seen. There will be strikes handed out for these friendly fires. I take a look at every single one that has been taken. Zeus, lucky for you, you are.
Mine have been done in reason.
The one that has been done by Stonewall with the striker was an accident because of very close.
Yeah, don't worry about external.
Does accidental or the friendly fire to prevent other people doing further friendly fire still count?
That still counts as a strike.
Okay. Wait, what? So if we shoot
You shut up, prisoner!
User disconnected from your channel.
Prisoners.
Okay, so, other
I'll
than
space
next thing,
out.
do not shoot prisoners. That was also terrible, this operation, the worst I've ever seen. So I don't know what you had against these prisoners today, but you shot 3 of them.
What?
Don't know
Yeah.
who,
Where's my
don't know
vodka?
why.
I
But you
don't
got
know
shot.
who shot my prisoner, but I will find him. And I will
There's
kill
like
him.
way too many prisoners. We don't need this many.
Fantastically.
Okay, but other than that, our mission was successful today. Thank you all who came. We hope you had fun, and we look forward to seeing you next week.
Fuck no, I didn't get to kill prisoners.
So yeah, you're free to disconnect.
Yeah.
Okay, go Stephanie, brief.
Hey, hey.
User left your channel.
Can I say this was very good operation for my first time?
User disconnected from your channel. User left your channel.